Ben is a happy man. He lives in a small, quiet city. He loves his job as a primary school teacher. Every morning, Ben walks to school. He likes to say hello to his neighbors. He likes to drink coffee in the park. But one Wednesday, Ben woke up and felt strange. He felt very, very cold. Then, a few minutes later, he felt very, very hot. He tried to stand up, but his head felt heavy. He looked at the mirror. His face was red. Ben went to the kitchen. He found his thermometer. He checked his temperature. "Oh no," Ben said to himself. "My temperature is high. I have a fever." Ben felt worried. He was alone in his apartment. He did not know what to do. He walked to the sofa and sat down. He put a blanket on his legs. He drank a glass of water. "I need a doctor," Ben thought. "I need help." He picked up his phone. He called the local clinic. "Hello," said a woman on the phone. "How can I help you?" "Hello," Ben said slowly. "My name is Ben. I am sick. I have a fever." The woman was kind. She said, "I am sorry to hear that, Ben. Can you come to the clinic today at 11 a.m.?" "Yes, I can," Ben said. "Thank you." Ben felt dizzy. He walked to the bus stop. The sun was very bright. The bus arrived and he got on. He sat near the window. He closed his eyes. He felt strange again. In his head, he saw a giant sandwich. The sandwich was sitting on a chair. The sandwich was wearing a hat. "Hello, Ben," the sandwich said. "Do you want to eat me?" Ben opened his eyes. He laughed. "That is funny," he whispered. "A talking sandwich." He closed his eyes again. He saw a cat dancing on the bus roof. The cat was singing a song. The bus arrived at the clinic. Ben woke up. He was happy to see the building. He walked into the doctor's office. The office was white and clean. A doctor came out. The doctor had a kind smile. "Hello, I am Dr. Smith. How do you feel today, Ben?" Ben sat in the chair. "Hello, Dr. Smith. I feel bad. I am very hot and very cold." The doctor nodded. "Do you have a headache?" "Yes," Ben said. "I have a big headache. My body hurts too." The doctor looked at Ben's throat. She checked his ears. Then she asked, "Do you have any other symptoms?" Ben remembered his dream. He smiled. "Doctor, I have a funny story." The doctor looked interested. "Please, tell me." "On the bus, I had a fever dream. I saw a giant sandwich. It was wearing a hat, and it asked me to eat it." The doctor laughed. "That is a very funny story, Ben. A fever often makes us see strange things." Ben laughed too. He felt a little better. Talking about the sandwich made him feel less worried. "You have a flu," the doctor said. "It is not dangerous, but you are very tired." "What should I do?" Ben asked. "You need to rest. You need to drink a lot of water. You need to eat healthy soup." "Can I work tomorrow?" Ben asked. "No," said the doctor. "You must stay home for 2 days. Your body needs rest to get better." Ben stood up. "Thank you, Dr. Smith. You helped me a lot." "You are welcome," she said. "And do not worry about the talking sandwich. He is not real." Ben smiled. He walked out of the clinic. The world looked better now. He went to the grocery store. He bought chicken soup. He bought water. He walked home. He went to his bed. He put on his pajamas. He felt tired, but he was not scared. He knew he was sick, but he knew he would be okay. He drank his water. He ate his soup. He slept for a long time. The next day, the fever was gone. Ben woke up and felt good. His head did not hurt. He sat up and looked at his desk. There was no sandwich. There was no cat. Ben laughed again. He learned something important. Health is the most important thing. But sometimes when we are sick, our brain tells us funny stories. A good laugh helps the medicine work. It helps us feel better. Ben was happy to be healthy. He was ready to go back to school. But he would always remember his friend, the talking sandwich. Life is short. We should take care of our bodies, and we should always find time to laugh.